I decided myself, if the parade is not going to be on any time in the future, if I'm able, I'm going to walk it if it's raining or snowing or whatever. So that's what I'm doing. And unfortunately, this is not because of rain or snow, because it is raining. It's because of the coronavirus. And understandably, I don't want people next to each other. I'm hoping all the vets that we're doing this for are with me, behind me, in a parade type of thing. But I'm doing it for them. I'm not doing it for me. It's about about a mile. It takes about 20 minutes. I did it yesterday in 20 minutes. I was commander. I'm now the chaplain for the VFW 2937 here in Medford, which is putting this ride-by. I'm thinking about them and what they gave us. It's a somber occasion because they're not here anymore with their loved ones. But again, they don't want us to feel somber. They don't want us to be happy because that's what they gave their life for the country to be happy. And although I got tears in my eyes right now, I'm trying to be happy.